Welcome once again to King's Digital Studio, right? So today we're going to learn how to, edit our designs to make it pop and make it more sharper with Snapseed, right? Straight to the point, very easy, very sharp. Get your pens and your eyes ready to learn, right? So straight to it, we're going to click on tools at the down part. Click on tools, then you go to tune your image, right? Then click on brightness. You can see the effects of brightness to reduce the lighting, right? You know what brightness is now. Right? So now contrast is for colors, right? Make the color more depth, more dark, you get, right? Just increase like a little bit, right? Therefore saturation is for colors, your hue saturation, to make it your color pop out much. Don't tend to increase your colors too much. It make it look more nyama. Right? So now ambience is color tone, your color effect, how you must make your color look more sharper. Just increase a little bit right now. So for highlight is for white light, right? You can see now as I reduce the highlight, the white shade is no more bright again, right? So the highlight is for what? Highlight and white light. So just try to reduce by a low percent, like let me say 17 or 15, depending on the photo, right? So just you can see low lights so that you can feel the depth of the design well, right? Shadows, now you know what shadow is now. Shadow is darkening effect to make the scene look a little bit darker. So as you increase it, the dark will reduce, but as you decrease it, the shadow increases, right? So I'd like to make my design a little bit darker so as to make it more realistic, right? So I'll just make it like -6 or -4, right? So right, warmth, I don't like to place warmth. What is like tinting, want to tint the coloring to blue or light. I just play with it like that. So now the main thing in Snapseed is the clarity and sharpness that it brings, right? You can make your design be sharpened very, very well, right? So we're going to go into it right now. I'm going to show you how to make the design sharp very well. So now you can see other tools we use, but we're going to use details, right? I can see the structure is to make your design very, very sharpened, but don't always use excess of everything is not good, right? So just increase the structure very well so I make it more sharp. Then we're going to click on sharpen too. Increase sharpness. You can see the difference now. You're making it more sharpened and more, making it look more sharp. So sharpen and your structure. So it's like the main thing, but also the tuning is also important. But you don't miss your sharpening and your clarity, right? So that's it. So make sure to subscribe and like this video so that other people like you can view this tutorial, right? And don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming, right? So now I'd love to show you a trick. If you have been following my tutorials, you should know that you can use blur effect, right, to create a depth effect in your designs, right? I'd like to blur the edges of my design so that to create a focus on the emphasis of the design, right? So I just increase my blur depth to, let me say, a little bit 20 or 25, right? Just the corners of the design to be blurred, right? Then I do play with my vignette. Also, vignette is just like you're darkening, like make it dark, right? That is called vignette. You can see as I increase the vignette strength, it's increasing that to darkness at the edges, right? And so I'd like to play with it like, let me say 50 to 25 depending on the design. So if your design is dark, like if your design is too bright, just try to increase it a little bit. But the main thing you should do is Snapseed just to tune your image and make sure you don't miss the sharpening effects and the structure, right? So I can see the difference now. You can see the difference now. This is very, very good. Snapseed is one of the best editing app. You can see the difference now. So you can just click on export and you're going to save your design very, very sharp, right? So I'm also going to teach you how to save your editing style, right? So as you have edit the picture now, I'm going to show you how to save that editing preset so that you can use use that same settings to edit other designs you have, right? So let me just show you now. Let me save another design and show you how to save your presets on Snapseed. So now we have already import our new design, right? Now as you can look down, you can see last edit, right? So Snapseed automatically will save your last edit you did on Snapseed, right? Now you can always apply it to your new design. Then if you want to save the edit, you can now scroll right and look down. You can always click on that plus button to save the new design style. Right now you can now name it any name you want to give to the design, right? You can write design preset or design style, anyone you choose. Then now you can apply that edit to your new designs you will create in coming times, right? Now so you have learn how to edit your designs very, very well with Snapseed, right? So if you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, right? And comment, share your thoughts on this one so we can create another tutorials like this, right? Thank you very much.